Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at a 24-inch drum fan by ECOMAX. All right, briefly going over some specs. This is a 24-inch drum fan. It has 3 speeds, it has a 10-foot cable, 360 rotation, max CFM is 3300, 1/3 horsepower, and it's less than 60 decibels as far as the noise. Okay, so opening it up, you can see it does require some assembly for the stand, and it does have wheels. And you have the metal stand here. So I'll go ahead and assemble it, and then I'll show you once it's all attached. Now I have the stand fully assembled. Basically, you just have to attach the wheels and screw them on. And then you have these knobs on the side. You just attach it, and then you can lock it into place depending on the position you like. And it is adjustable 360 degrees. You also have the side handles here for easy transport. Again, you can roll it around. And then looking at the back, you have your 3 levels, and you have your 10-foot cord with the cable organizer on the back. All right, I have the fan plugged in, so we're gonna turn it to level 1. This is how level 1 sounds. You can feel the airflow, very quiet. Moving to level 2. And level 3. So you can definitely feel the airflow, moving a lot of air here. I've attached some streamers on here so you can get an idea of the airflow. So this is on level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay, I have my decibel meter here, so we'll just measure the noise level. I'll start off with level 1, go to level 2, and then level 3. So here's level 1, roughly 60. Level 2. And level 3. So it looks like it peaked at 78 decibels on level 3. Okay, so that's a look at the ECOMAX 24-inch fan. Very strong and pushes a lot of air. This is good, you know, for your garage, indoors, warehouse. Definitely can cool down an environment. So mainly I'm going to use this for the garage because it does get hot in the summer, and this is definitely going to get the air flowing. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.